Hi guys, my name's Wayne. Been playing drums since I was about 8 years old. Played in various bands with my cousin and family. Currently playing with a Stereophonics tribute band. We're known as one of the most authentic tribute bands, been going for 20 odd years, so it's really good fun. Been using the 7A Collision sticks for some time now. The sticks are great durability, feel really good and really responsive when going around the kit, so they're really good. I usually use a 5A or 7A, but 7As at the minute, the ones I'm using, they just feel really good. Another good thing about Collision is the community. You know, they're always there on hand, really supportive. Any questions or even tips, they're always there to help you, so amazing to be part of it. I will be recommending these sticks to all of my drumming friends. I've done some recording work with some TV commercials at Abbey Road. I've done some recording on my friend's EP, which will be out shortly, but mainly gigging with the boys in the Stereophonics tribute band. We're called Stereosonics, hence the t-shirt. So I played last night in Chester. I'm going to show you a video of us playing maybe tomorrow. I was using the 7As last night. You can see how nice they sound and how good they feel and going around the kit. So yeah, thanks for your time and see you soon.